Hello everybody, welcome back to Vipra Gaming. In this episode, we are going to play Clash Royale and we have some chests to open and we are very close to reaching Challenger 1 as well. So in this video we are going to reach Challenger 1 as well. But let's start off with opening some chests. Silver chest, okay. So the Valkyrie is the best card from that. Flying Machine, I'll take that, that's not a bad card. Okay, golden chest. Yes, that's exactly what I want. So we are going to get the mini P.E.K.K.A to level 11, I think. Yes, we are going to get it to level 11. Let's open the big chest for today, the giant chest. Okay, Royal Giant, bats, nothing good from it. But no problem, we got the gold. That's the best thing in every chest. Most usually. But yes, that's exactly what we want. I know the mini P.E.K.K.A costs some gold. There you go, Dart Goblin. But, you know, we can't keep it at level 10. I mean, we have to upgrade it. Okay, this is really precious for us. Legendary wildcard. I think we are going to put it to the Electro Wizard because we are going to not use the Book of Books on just those 4 cards. We can finish it in Legendary wildcards. Yes, Electro. We can take it. 2 on 4. Yes, we need 2 more cards to get it to level 11. I have the mini P.E.K.K.A in the shop. I don't want to waste even a little bit of gold. Let's upgrade this. Look at the damage. Oh my god, 720. It's not far away from the P.E.K.K.A. It's close to the P.E.K.K.A itself. That's why, you know, we are using it too. And I think we are going to use the rare Book of Books on it. Because that's the only rare card we use. Very close to the P.E.K.K.A. And now we have to get to Challenger 1 over here. And we are going to play the new challenge which has come, you know, which is the mirror challenge. And guess what, we have the pass royal, right? So free entry and no exits. And then he uses the mini P.E.K.K.A. Oh my god, I think he's going to get that tower over there. The log helped him. Oh my god, I wasted elixir on the P.E.K.K.A, but that's the tower gone. Bad start, but you know, if this tower was gone with 1 minute left in the match, or somewhere close, not 1 minute, but you can say around, maybe there is less time for the match to end, then we would have been in trouble. Now also we can say that we are in trouble, but we have lot of time to come back. Yes, Tesla doing a great job there. Yes. Thank you very much. Very good job done by the Tesla. Let's go with a better attack to destroy that tower there. The 1602 HP left there. Let's go with a much stronger attack. P.E.K.K.A from the back is good. Yes. Now the battle drum can't do anything, we have the Mega Knight, or maybe it will, yes, just. But it's the King Tower, luckily not the Princess Tower. Yes, the bats are gone. Okay, he has a Mega Knight level 13, but look at the P.E.K.K.A over there, oh my god. Now, he's not sending anything to the P.E.K.K.A. He's allowing the P.E.K.K.A to go to his King Tower. Oh my god. Now that's why I said we had lots of time to fight back. And that's helping us now. Now we are on top. Look at the HP left in his both the towers. Just 2424 HP left in his King Tower. And I knew this would happen because we just made one bad move, which costed the tower for us. And look where we are now. Yes, come on P.E.K.K.A. Once again. Yes, he's used the log. Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh yes, he had the arrows. He has the arrows and the log both. Okay. Oh, the Mega Knight again. But doesn't do anything. So both the P.E.K.K.A.s in the field, but they don't do anything. But we have another P.E.K.K.A coming on, so 2 witches. I like that. Nothing is going to happen. He just wasted elixir. Yes. The mini P.E.K.K.A, doesn't. It's not good at attacking against cards like the Goblin Barrel or the Skeleton Army. Cards which are having more numbers, more count. Yeah. Yes. Mega Knight can't do anything because he doesn't have anything like an Inferno Dragon or something like that, or Electro Wizard. Sorry, any zap thing, which only can stop the Inferno Dragon. Nothing else can stop it. Look at that! Oh my God! Yes, we are Challenger 1. Now we have reached the first league. I mean, we were in Challenger 2, but because of the 2 new arenas, we have to come back to Arena 13. But we are back at League number 1, Legendary Arena. We are at Challenger 1. Yes, that's good. And 90 minutes. The chest speed has boosted up. That's excellent. We can unlock chests much earlier. Yes, let's start the mirror challenge. This is the first battle we are playing over here. Oh, it's classic decks. Okay, so classic decks, and I am not too good in playing with these decks. I have never played with the knight since Arena 1. The only card which I use in my deck, which is in this deck, is the Electro Wizard. And we are mirroring it over here. Oops, he's done a lot of damage. I don't know how to play with this deck properly. I think the Heal Spirit, let's send it to the Hog Rider so that the Hog Rider can be healed after it's been attacked. Let's try that once. Okay, that's good. Archer's doing a good job actually. Yes. We'll go for the Hog Rider and Heal Spirit from the back. Let's wait for it, the elixir bar to be 10. Yes, Heal Spirit. Let's go for the giant there. Now it's totally... Yes, that's exactly what I said. This actually worked. That's good. Look at the giant. Massive amount of damage is being done there. Okay, it's done. That attack worked. Hog Rider plus Heal Spirit, but still he is leading in this game. He's attacked that hours more. But no problem, we have that attack again. It just costs 5 elixir. That big attack. So it's less. So I think we are going to lose a tower over here. Okay. Oh, we are going to get a tower, I think. Yes. Oh, he's now... We just know. Yes, we get it. Well done, Hoggy. Well done, Hog Rider. And we have gone with the giant there. So things going in our favor well over here. Come on, giant, go giant. Yes, let's zap it. Yes, we get that extra hit. Zap it again. Oh no, the zap doesn't have that much enough attack. Oh yes, the Hog Rider, we have enough HP left. Come on, I just need the zap now. Yes, we get the zap. Can it get 23 elixir? Yes. Yes, I thought it would be touch and go for the zap, but it did it. Yes, that is good. There we go. What an emote that is. The mini P.E.K.K.A emote. Yes, the first reward is being claimed in our first match. 1000 gold. That's the main reason I think we are playing here. The legendary wildcard is the second reason. And obviously the other wildcards as well. Oh, this is a much better deck. I had that deck little bit tough to play with, but this is much better. I've played with these cards much more than the cards which was in the previous deck. It is much more comfortable for me. Okay, the royal ghost. That's strange. Invisible ghosts pass through each other. Yes, the Dark Prince. Zappies, what a great card that is. It's just a little bit weak. That's the only problem with them. He's mirrored the Zappies, but look at what we are doing to his tower. Oh my god, are we going to get a tower? Yes, we are! So early in the game. This is a much better start than the last game. It's a Zappies battle going on there. Who's going to win? Is it our Zappies or his? Level 10 is his. Level 9 is ours. Yes, we won it comfortably. Okay, the Electro Giant. Fine. Let's go for the Royal Ghost. We have Elixir Golem as well, so that is good. Let's protect it just with the Dark Prince. Let's go for the Zappies. Elixir Golem doing a very good job there. Oopsie. Yes, that's good. Yes, we have defeated the Dark Prince. It didn't do much to our tower. I mean, not the Dark Prince, but yeah. The Electro Giant did that massive damage there. Dark Prince, yes. The Royal Ghost is not a card to ignore. Its attack is very good and you can't ignore it because it can just get your crown tower so easily. Yes, the Elixir Golem, I think we have defeated the Golemites. Yes, they are Golemites, but look at the Dark Prince. It's charged onto his towers and it's done some good amount of damage. We have not used the Electro Giant yet. About to use it, but when he sends an Electro Giant, we have to defend it, or else single-handedly it can get our towers. So let's wait for the Electro Giant from our side. Okay, that's it. Come on. Let's go for the Elixir Golem. I think we are not going to use the Electro Giant even once in this game because we have mirrored the Elixir Golem. That's good. 2 Elixir Golems I want. I'm very curious to see how he defends it, or can he defend it. No, he can't. Yes! 2 in 2 for us. 2 in 2. That's awesome. Another reward. What is it? Common wildcards, I think. Yes, of course. Common wildcards. Yes, 50 of them. That's good. That's a lot. 2000 gold. That's also precious. Okay, not a bad deck. 1 card. That's a mini P.E.K.K.A we use in our deck. Very new entry to our deck. Fire Spirits. Witch. Let's go for the Miner. The Barbarian Barrel is a great card. Just a better version of the Log, I feel. The mini P.E.K.K.A didn't do much damage. I think didn't do any damage. Okay, the Hog Rider again. The second time. Second time in this challenge they're having it in a deck. Okay. Fire Spirits, yes. Witch we witch. Our witch is going to win. Okay then, another witch. Oopsie, somehow defending his tower really well. But this, in this challenge, you can't blame anyone. Because everyone are equal in this challenge. If you lose, you have played wrong. Or your opponent has outplayed you. You can't take any other reason. So it's a very equal tournament, which you know, it's quite rare, I feel, because in many tournaments or challenges we play with our own decks, but here we are playing with the same decks. Oh my god, he's playing really well here. I'm not an expert with playing the Barbarian Barrel and all those cards. I've never used it in my deck. Since the time it was released, I think a year or two ago, I've never played with it. So not much experience playing with it. I think we are going to lose this. I think this is going to be our first loss. I've not used the Lava Moon as well. We got it recently actually. I think around months back, not years. So it's a new card for me. I've never used it as well. Okay, we are going to lose this. No chance of winning. We've just touched this tower. We've not done any damage to destruct him. Yes, he'll win it. It will be our first loss. He played really well with this deck. I think he's much familiar with this. The first season's emote. Okay then. One more match. Let's get that gold and close this video. This episode. Yes. Yes, this deck is good. Let's win it and then let's say if it's the best or something like that. Fisherman. It was a great card when it was released. I mean, then you know, many people stopped using it. This is a real good deck. In the first game, the first game we played in this challenge, what we did is we put the Heal Spirit from the back of the Hog Rider, and whenever the Hog Rider was hit, it was healed. And let's do the same to the Royal Giant now. It's going to be much more effective, I believe. Yes, look at the damage the Royal Giant has done. That's why I love that card. If it was a little bit less elixir, more people would have used it according to me. In the skeleton barrel, we have the Dark Prince. What should we do now? Okay, let's go for a skeleton barrel. Yes, we are going to get a tower. Yes, of course. Thank you very much. We get the first tower and the skeletons have already started hitting this king tower. So Royal Giant plus the skeleton barrel. Okay. He's going to get a tower, is it? Yes, he does. Now he's on top. So things not going well for us since the last game started. Royal Giant, yes. Fisherman B. Oh, I thought it will be back. Let's mirror our Heal Spirit. Let's heal our Royal Giant more. Yes, that's exactly what I said. It's much more effective than the Hog Rider if you heal it because of its HP. But the Heal Spirit, I think it's a great card. It's a real great card. Really helps. Oh my god, I wasted much elixir here. I thought the log is going to get it, but because of the mirror helps us to defeat the we have the log. Yes, we have the log. We'll win it. Yes. Yes, come on. Yes, thank you, Fisherman. Let's just finish off this game. Let's not do any mistakes here, because if we win it, 2000 gold, which is exactly what we want. What a card. Heal Spirit is a great card. The first game it helped us to win. Even in this game, not any different. We have won it and 2000 gold, that helps a lot. 2000 gold is quite a lot because we have spent 20,000 gold on the mini P.E.K.K.A, so we need gold here. We don't have as much as we had before. Okay guys, that's it for this episode. We'll come back in the next one. If you like this episode, please like and subscribe our channel if you are new, and we'll see you in the next video, and until then, goodbye.